All right, everybody, we are out in the garage with the Bison, and we're going to do some work over here. So as you see, we have the ARB Twin Air Compressor here in the ammo can in the deck drawer system for the Bison. And down here you can see we have the air chuck over here, plus some power and whatnot, the Blue Sea Systems panel. So what we're going to do here is we'd like to, right now the power for this ARB is on my SPOD controller in the cab. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put up the ARB switch here and have the on-off controlled back here, and that'll free up a spot up on my switch panel for other things, and it'll just put the power for the compressor back here with the compressor, so it just makes sense. So that's what we're going to do today. Alrighty, so in order to do what we need to do, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to remove this left side of the deck drawer system, move this drawer, remove that side. That'll let us get over to this ammo can and really work in that space, because down in here we have not only the compressor, but I have a fuse block and then the wiring coming up. So what I'm going to have to do is work with the wiring in such a way that I can get that switch pretty much right here is where I want to put that switch. So yeah, we're going to have to take off this part. It shouldn't be too bad. We'll see if I can negotiate it out without having to take off the fridge slide and everything over here. The silver piece sort of goes across both halves, and I'd like to be able to get this side of the deck drawer system out without having to take off the fridge slide, because I can't really get at the screws and whatnot that are under it here to this. Hopefully loosening it up this much will be enough to get it out. Alright, so from the deck system, I took this front deck panel. There's a bar that goes across the bottom here, and I've pulled the drawer out. So now what I'll do is I'll loosen up the top and see what kind of wiggle room I have in regards to getting this top off without having to do anything with this silver piece. Alrighty, so I did have to remove the refrigerator and take the track off to get this silver piece out, because I forgot there was a bolt right here, so I had to take this all out. Now we'll get this deck drawer top off and get access to the ammo box. Alrighty, we have that top taken off. Alrighty, we have that top of it taken off from this side. So you can see basically how we have this set up in here. This is power coming in from the battery. So I got power coming in here to this this block, and then I got a fuse block down in there, and then the compressor. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this compressor out of here, give me some space to work with, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, everybody, so we're looking like we're pretty set. So basically I pulled the ammo box out. You can see right here I've got the switch together right there. That's where the air chuck's gonna go. I actually put the switch where the air chuck was, so I'm gonna move that, so we'll get that going up there. And when the switch is on, it will light up, showing that it's on. So I've run power that to my fuse block here, but we should be ready to go. I should be able to really start putting this back together, getting this all wired back up, getting the air hose back in, and really getting ready to wrap this up. It's going to look really clean, so we'll check it out once we get finished, but that's progress so far. All right, so here we are. We've got everything buttoned up. We got everything back in the ammo box. The ammo box tightened up. You can see here we now have the ARB switch installed, and we have the air chuck moved to a different location. We actually replaced the air chuck. This is a more of an industrial brass style fitting that we purchased. So we are back in business, and it's worked out great. So basically now when I want to air up, air down, use the compressor however much, I can just flip the switch from back here since the compressor is back here. So we're in business. Thanks for checking us out, and I appreciate it.